Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the quickest path, commands or server plugins. Grab an anvil and enchanted tools if you plan durability safety, but enable cheats now so you can test. Once done, get a command block or ensure operator status on a server. This lets you set block NBT or game rules instantly. Make sure to decide whether you need single-player proof or multiplayer persistence. This affects the exact command syntax and whether you'll use a plugin for automated protection. Now you implement the core method. For items, use a command that gives an item with NBT tag Unbreakable, 1B so tools cannot take damage. This is why you prefer NBT over durability edits. For world blocks, either use region protection plugins or set game mode to adventure and configure permissions to deny breaking. Once applied, test in a controlled area with another account because persistence differs across versions and plugins. If something doesn't stick, roll back and try the alternate method. Finish by standardizing. Name unbreakable items and use lore so players know why they're special. Make sure server reloads don't strip NBT by using startup scripts or plugin config that enforces tags on join. This prevents accidental removal. If things go wrong, check 3 likely causes: game version incompatibility, permission hierarchy overriding your rules, or plugin conflicts. Then restore from a backup and reapply on a test world. You'll be finished when protection persists across restarts and player actions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.